The easiest meditation that you can do without the concentration meditation and expansion meditation is focusing on your breathing. Breathing meditation is very important, and it's very easy. All you have to do is just focus on the air that you're breathing in, and you see it, feel it, and be with it while you're breathing in. Feel it coming into your nostrils and just follow it in. And when you exhale, see it, feel it, and follow it out as it goes. So you're with the breath coming in and you're with the breath going out completely. And breathe normally, but just be with it. That is easiest meditation and works with every breath. Wow. Even that little bit gets you going. So, so after a while, you have this propensity of as soon as you close your eyes, you want to get into meditation, you quickly get deep immediately because your system is already in tune with it. So keep this doing, even if it's 5 minutes a day, just do 5 minutes a day. Start with 2 minutes if you want, and then see if you want to do more. Don't push yourself, just make it to it. That's why breathing is so easy to do. You're focusing on the breathing, and you got to breathe anyhow. You're enjoying the breathing, and you're with the breathing, and you're doing the meditation at the same time, and you're bringing energy in at the same time, plus oxygen. So 3 things at the same time happening.